chasing of quiet time. We walk on lonely paths. We whistle a tune and we wander, recklessly sometimes, purposely sometimes, not afraid to trip and fall into a pile of leaves where we'll laugh and we'll roll about, because that's a little dance for us. We fall into a little dance where almost anything is possible. Movements lead into another action. Impossible interaction. A dream. A movement. A swimming. A flying. A driving a giant dirigible through the sky. Or an adventure unfounded. A love and a fantasy unbounded. That's what I pursue, and I am cherishing each and every moment of it, hoping that I will find a gem in all of it. I'm praying, I'm singing, I'm speaking to the gods, and I'm hoping that someday somebody will find it joyful too, I guess.